Hello YouTube. Thought I'd do a new light check because new parts, as you can see. Anyway, from the front, some Odyssey grips, not sure what, random bar ends, oh well. Some standard texture right over Odyssey upper cable, and as you go down to a vocal gyro. Sunday stem, which you get on most stock bikes, and Mafia bike bars. Okay. Got a, I don't know if you can see that, Fit FAF 2.3 on the front, standard Mafia bikes wheel, which is actually screwed, some random peg, which 14mm isn't the best, to be honest. Don't ride 14mm pegs on the front with a 10mm axle, really stupid. Forks are Snafu ultralight, which you can't see because it's dark. Smart me. Anyway, vocal lower gyro cable, which is quite bad considering the cable's torn. Mafia clip frame, and then Mafia clip cranks, some Odyssey, not Odyssey, Eastern, I don't know what pedals, JFPC or something. Blank select sprocket, which is fucked. Don't know if you can see that. No, you can't, obviously not. It's like bent, well, not bent, snapped straight through. Some weird reason. Standard caliper, which you'd get on most bikes. Fucking weather. Hood. Back peg, which is not the best for sliding. It doesn't go very far. I think this is a Maxxis back tyre. Not sure. Oh well. Again, Mafia wheel and a Total BMX seat. It isn't very comfy, but you know. Oh well. A standard cranks, which you get 3-piece. Not very good, to be honest, 8-spleen, which I don't like because they slip. Well, not slip. Yeah, they slip. Spanish bottom bracket. Yeah, and oops. So yeah, and I haven't got a chain at the moment because mine's just snapped. Yeah, which I shall be putting my old gold one on from my old America frame, which is crap. Anyway, subscribe, comment, rate, yeah, do whatever. Don't really bother me. And yeah.